Hi friends, welcome to Taming Python series. In this video, we are going to talk about vertically slicing a data frame using column names. In many of our data frame scenarios, we might want to select only some column names of a data frame and work with the data frame. So basically we are slicing a data frame based upon the column names which we desire. So how can we do that? It's pretty simple guys. Suppose if the column names you want to take or A, B, C. Suppose if a data frame has many columns A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H or something, but you want only some three columns by the name, by the header names A, B, and C. So how can you do that? You just give df of, and in that you give an array of column names which you want, and then you will get a sliced data frames which contain only the names you mentioned, only the column names which you mentioned. Let's take a demo of this using an example. So I'm taking a blank folder. I will open it with VS Code. Yeah, my VS Code is open. You can see I have a file called genschedules.csv. I'll leave the link of this CSV file in the description of this video. I will use this CSV for demonstrating this example. So first I'll create a new blank Python file and I'll name it index.py, and in that I will import pandas as PD, and then now I'll create a data frame from the CSV file. You can use pd.read CSV, and you can use the name of the CSV file. The name of the CSV file is genschedules.csv. I'll just copy the name of the file and I'll write it here, genschedules.csv, and now I'll print this data frame to show you how it looks like. So print df. So let me try to save it and run it. Now you can see it's a data frame and it's got a lot of columns, and name of the columns is time block, time description, CGP, and you have a lot of column names. So in my previous videos also I have shown you how to get the column names of a data frame. It's just by using df dot columns. You just call the dot columns attribute of a data frame variable and you will get the columns of the data frame. So I'll just print the columns of this data frame so that we can see only the columns in the printout. So I'll run it. You can see these are all the column names of this data frame. Suppose if I want to have only a data frame which contains only some selected 3-4 names, so these are all the names of the columns of this data frame. It has a lot of columns. So if I want to suppose have only 3 columns, so let me take some desired column names. I'll create a new variable called desired column names. So I'll write desired columns equal to, and I'll create an array here. So in this array I will write what are the column names that I desire to get in my resultant data frame. So let me copy some column names from here. I'm just randomly selecting some column names. Okay, so this is one column name, and this is one more column name, and this is one more column name. So suppose I only want a data frame which contains only three column names. How can I do that? It's pretty simple guys. So I'll create another data frame variable called df2. df2 equal to df of desired column names. That's all. So what I did was I called df of, and in that I have given an array which contains the required column names. So now this df2 will have a subset of the df, and it will have only the columns which I mentioned. So let me try to print out df2 and show you what it looks like. What I did was I imported pandas, I have created a data frame, and I have mentioned what my desired columns are, and I just called df of desired columns. And then what happened is what I got a new variable called df2, and I'm printing the df2 to show you how it looks like. So now I'll run this. Now I'm printing df2, and you can see df2 only contains the columns which I mentioned. These are the columns which I got, and these are the columns which I mentioned. In original data frame there are many columns, but now I got only the columns which are required. You might run this into this scenario many times when you work with pandas data frames. So this is a pretty useful thing to get to know guys. So that's how to vertically slice a data frame using column names which you desire. I've created a blog post on this topic, and I'll leave the link of this blog post in the description of this video, so be sure to check it out. And I've given the sample code also in the blog post, so you can copy paste and try to run it in your IDE and practice. That's it for this video guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.